Hi, on the example of this bracelet, I will try to show the mechanics of the clasps on the Greek key bracelet that we produce and sell in our shop. So the main thing to pay attention to is the internal tongue of the clasp, this small tongue. If you want to make the clasp tighter, we need to lift the tongue like that, just to lift it a little bit so you can see the space between the base of the tongue and upper side of the tongue, like here, like you can see here. Now we have a little bit of space. If you want to loosen the clasp a little bit because it's too tight, we press the tongue so it's flattened like that. So in reality, mechanics is very easy. In your case, I think you have to lift tongue a little bit so we have space here, and after adjusting the tongue as needed, we connect the two ends of the clasp until we hear a characteristic click like that. I hope that you can hear the click. And after that, we close the bracelet completely using the safety link, this one. So in reality, mechanic is very easy and you can adjust it anytime you want. I hope it helps, but if you still have question, please let me know. Thank you.